हांव आसा साळगांव आनी सालिगांव गोंयचो सगळ्यांत व्हडलो गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आसा आनी मजा म्हणल्यार जस्ट फ्यू किलोमिटर्स अवे फ्रॉम दीस गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट हांगा आसा सालिगांव सेमिनरी आनी सालिगांव सेमिनरी भितर एक बरो असो डिफरंट एक्सपेरिमेंट चालू आसा. मेन म्हणजे गार्बेज जी आमी आमच्या घरान प्रोड्यूस करता ती गार्बेज ट्रीट करपा खातीर आमी इतलो पयसो स्पेंड करता. गव्हर्मेंट ते फक्त फ्रॉम द कलेक्शन टू ट्रिटमेंट इतलो पयसो हाजेर वता. करोडांनी रुपया हाजेर स्पेंड जाता. नवी नवी गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट येता. पूण हांगा जो एक्सपेरिमेंट चालू आसा तांच्या प्रमाणे गार्बेज ही एक असेट आसा आनी इट्स एक्चुली ब्लॅक गोल्ड. आमी इतली करपाची गरज ना. खरें म्हणजे गार्बेजीचो खरें म्हणजे आमी यूज करून आमी एक मॅन्युअर करपाक जाता आनी आमच्या खातीर फायद्याचें जावपाक शकता. सो हो होल प्रोसेस इवन तांच्यांनी हांगा वेगवेगळे एक्सपेरिमेंट केल्ले आसा आनी मेंबरशीप ड्रायव केल्ली आसा. लोक हांगा आपली गार्बेज म्हणजे वेट गार्बेज हांगा हाडपाक शकता आनी ताज्या बदला तांकां वेजिटेबलाचेर डिस्कावंट मेळटा. म्हाज्या फाटल्यान जे तुमी हे जी वेजिटेबल्स पळयता ती ह्या ही जी मॅन्युअर आसा ह्या मॅन्युअरांतल्यान तयार केल्लें आसा. सो अशे तरेचो हो युनीक असो एक्सपेरिमेंट आनी हो जर सक्सेसफूल जालो आनी जर प्रत्येकान आपली घरांतली गार्बेज जी वेट गार्बेज आसा ती जर तांच्यांनी आपली आपूण जर ताजें मॅन्युअर केलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता गोवा वूड बी अ डिफरंट प्लेस ऑल टुगेदर. हो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट आसा तो कितें आनी ताका ताजे फाटल्यान ताजे उद्देश कितें आसा आनी कितें ऑब्जेक्टीव आसा हें आमी जाणून घेवपा खातीर मुद्दम हांगा सालिगांव सेमिनारीन आयल्या. आनी हो जो प्रोजेक्ट आसा तो मॅनेज करता डेवीड डिसोजा आनी तांचे कडेन उलोवया की तांचो कॉन्सेप्ट कितें आसा आनी तांचे फ्युचर कितें आसा एक्झॅक्टली कितें करपा जाता ह्या गार्बेजींतल्यान. डेवीड, वेलकम.
Thank you.
थँक्यू फॉर जॉयनींग अस.
You're welcome.
डेवीड, हे तूं हांगा जें कितें करता इज समथींग युनीक. कारण हो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट आसा जो आमी जी गार्बेज घरान प्रोड्यूस करता ती अशी तरेन आमचे तकले भितर भरिल्ली आसा ती वेस्ट आनी ती आमी कशे तरी काडून ती भायर आमचे उडोवपाची आनी कोण तरी येवन ती घेवन वता. इज इट रियली वेस्ट काय इट्स असेट?
तुम्ही असेट म्हणल्यार जाता आणि इन गोवा विथ अर्थ गोवा stands for guaranteed organized action and
Okay.
earth stands for efficiently apply residue treating habits. Now purpose of coining this word is that garbage म्हणजे ताका अर्थ ना. जे आमकां आवडना जे आमचे गरजेक पडना ताका आमी
वेस्ट.
गार्बेज म्हणटा. आमी हांगा ह्या आमचे भाटान आमी ताका गार्बेज म्हणना. आमी ताका रेसिड्यू म्हणटा. रेसिड्यू म्हणजे कितें? खाल्लें जेयलें रांदले उपरांत जे कितें उरता ताका रेसिड्यू म्हणटा. आतां तूं जेयताना जे जेवण तूं सोडटा ताका तूं गार्बेज म्हणटा. जे मेरेन तें जेवण तुजे बोशेन आहलें ते मेरेन तें जेवण तें.
बरोबर.
आनी जेन्ना तूं तें जेवण काडून तूं डस्टबिनान उडयता ताका तूं तें गार्बेजाचो लेबल घालता. सो आमी तेजेर निशेध मारता. आमी लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता जे जेवण तुमी डस्टबिनान घालता तें जेवणूच तें गार्बेज न्हू तें. सो जे जरे तरेन तें जेवण तुमी जेवलेले जाल्यार तें तुमचे कुडीक फायद्याक पडटा आशिल्लें. आतां तुमी जेवंक ना.
इवन आफ्टर दॅट ऑल्सो इट इज रेलिवंट एंड इट इज
Exactly.
युजफूल.
Exactly. So the nourishment that you are looking at, that nourishment we are giving back to the soil. You got food from the soil. We
सो
are
तें
giving it
जेवण
back.
जे आमकां मनशाक नरिशमेंट दिता तें उरता तें जेवण सॉयलाक नरिशमेंट. व्हेरी गुड कॉन्सेप्ट.
सो ते आमी तो विचार धरून आमी आखो इनिशिएटीव रेडी केला. सो नाव द थॉट प्रोसेस इज व्हेरी सिंपल दॅट वॉट एवर वी डू प्रो नेचर. स्वयंबा आड कांयच करपाची गरज ना. सो नाव द थॉट प्रोसेस इज दॅट वेन वी रिक्वेस्ट पीपल प्लीज ब्रिंग युअर फूड रेसिड्यू. The food residue, if you bring it to us, we will make sure that the food residue go back to the soil, and from the soil you can get back your food back to you. But if you are going to throw it out and litter all around the place, then neither you are benefiting nor the soil, and plus you are hampering the nature. आणि मागीर तुजे गोरवां बीन खाता, सुणी बीन पिसुट्टा. It only becomes more waste than otherwise. So that is the whole
प्रॉपर
thought.
जर आमी ताजें केअर घेतलें आनी ताका जर आमी जर ट्रीट केलें जाल्यार इट कॅन बिकम व्हेरी युजफूल.
इट इज आमचे आदले पासून आमी जेन्ना आमकां प्लांट्स नाशिल्ले आमची भाटां आशिल्लीं आमी सगळे कचरो म्हूण नासले आमी ते कचरो फक्त घरान सारोन मारता पळय तेका आमी उरता पळय ताका कचरो म्हूण नासले ते आमी काडून झाडांक पेडांक बीन वाडांक बीन घालताले सो आमी परत तीच पद्दत वापरता बट ऑन अ लार्जर स्केल आनी हांगर आमी इक्विपमेंट्स बीन रेडी केल्ले आसा सो दॅट आमचे येदे व्हडले भाट आसा आख्खे भाटाक आमी 100% ऑर्गॅनीक करूंक सोदता आमचे
कोण येता हांगा
लोक येता एनीबडी कॅन पार्टिसिपेट देर इज नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल तर उमकोच जाय बिकॉज एवरीबडी जनरेट्स गार्बेज so everybody who's generating garbage can participate in this drive so there is no
अशें जर जालें आनी लोक सगळे घेवन जर हांगा अशें येवपाक लागले अशे तरेचे आनीकय एक्सपेरिमेंट जर बाकी कडेन जर गोंयांत जाले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता वेस्ट गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट सगळे बंद पडटले
पळय गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट्स खंय चालू जाता तुमच्या घरांनी चालू जाता you have the concept of dustbin so once you put everything in the dustbin then you require somebody to collect it then you will say panchayat and municipality should collect it so some municipality panchayat sends somebody to collect it then once they collect for the particular ward or complex then you require a garbage truck but none of them are processing so ultimately it comes to garbage treatment plant so if you eliminate dustbin at your doorstep you don't require garbage plants
so what you suggest की आमचे घरांतली आतां जी आमची आमची रेजिड्यू उरता तो आमी कसो मॅन्युअर करपाक शकता
तेका व्हडले जबर तकली लावपाची गरज ना आमच्या घरान एक बरो भयंकर इक्विपमेंट आसा ताका म्हणटा मिक्सर सो you decide what you want to mix in it no you would say that okay only chutney and curry will be made out of it so it remains there but imagine a housewife or a lady of the house instead of throwing all the organic food residue whether consumed cooked pre-cooked after that instead of putting it in the dustbin if she puts it into the mixer add some water and just spin it that will turn into a chutney so then that
chutney
you can for plants then you can use that thing to the plants the plants will get the vitamins the minerals the nourishment they will grow you don't have to throw
so
it
it's so simple
it's very simple so if at all you have anything in excess David and Goa with earth is always there for you to collect it for you
तुमकां हे करपाचें ना जाल्यार तुमी एक बरोबर कलेक्ट करून आमी तुमकां हांगा दिवपाक शकता
आमी सालिगांव आमचे एक युनिट आसा आणि मडगांव मडेल म्हणून नेचर्स ऑर्गॅनिक कार्ट म्हणून आमचो स्टोर आसा त्या स्टोरान पासून दिल्यार जाता आतां आमी थंयसरी काम चालू करतले अवेरनेसाचे सो तुमी येयले म्हणून म्हाका बरें दिसलें सो
व्हेरी गुड इनिशिएटीव एक्चुअली आणि इवन तुम्ही जर हाडले जाल्यार तुमकां डिस्काउंट मेळटा खंय
आमी आतां हांगर एक वेजिटेबल मार्केट म्हणल्यार एक ल्हानसो आमचे आदले टिटे आहले पळय ते सुमानान एकदां करताले पळय तशें सो संडे बाजार वी प्लॅन टू हॅव इट आनी आमचे कितें प्रोड्यूस आसा लोकल सोरमोती कितें मेळटा पळय ते आमी हांगर सेल करतले सो जेन्ना तुमी हांगर ते विकते घेवपाक येयत तेन्ना तुमचे रेसिड्यू वांगडा घेवन या ते मागीर आमी वी वील हॅव एन एक्सचेंज आनी हाडटना मागीर तुमकां तेजेर 5-10% कितें डिस्काउंट आसा पळय ते आमी तेन्ना तुमकां दितले प्लस इफ यू सी दिस बोर्ड वी वील बी whosoever is going to come regularly to us join this initiative we will have every 3 months a lucky draw so you can win a cash prize as big as 10,000 7,000 5,000 every quarter for doing good and participating in this entire thing so
win-win for everyone
there is no need to make things difficult when they are not why to complex the matter when it is simple so at a lower the whole thought process should be I litter I clean you should not think as government करतलो panchayat they are all administrators they are not sweepers आमी बुरशे करतले दुसरो साफ करतलो that thought process is wrong so we detest that so we say that you come you participate nature is for all we will be more than happy for more people to join us
व्हेरी व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट आनीकूय बाकी कडेन आनी गोंयान सुरू करपाचे कितें प्लॅन आसा
मडगांव केल्ले आसा आमची आयडिया या हांगर आसा पळय तो एक लर्निंग कसो वी वील बी हॅविंग educational camps also here for people will be getting guest lectures on these agriculture bio fertilizer thought processes and all that stuff but आमचे उद्देश मोठो उद्देश हो आसा की आमची जी शेतां पाड जाल्या आनी आतां तांकां मॅन्युअर ना सो आमकां हांगर हाडपाची गरज ना दर एका गांवान आमी हें करूंक शकता आमची शेतां बाटा पोतून आमी तांकां रिवायव करूंक शकता
खूपच इंटरेस्टिंग हें आसा एक्चुअली
सो आमकां भायल्यान भाजी बीन हाडपाची गरज ना
तुमकां खरें म्हणजे आतां म्हणटाले हांवें आमचे कडेन इतली रेजिड्यू उरता आमी कितें करतले हें आसा पूण तुमकां इतलें सोल्युशन इतलें बरें सोल्युशन आसा घरा फाटल्यान शेत आसा तुजे कडेन भाट आसा थंय व्हरून तुमी ते यूज करा आनी एक बरोबर एग्रीकल्चरूय करा
पळय
आनी हें जालें दोनी जालें.
कित्याक आतां सद्या आमी आमच्या गोंयांत आमी कांय जबर पीक काडना. आमचे पॉप्युलेशनाक आमकां कितेंय बी जाय जाल्यार आमी भायल्यान इम्पोर्ट करता, वीच इज नॉट गुड फॉर आवर इकॉनॉमी ऑल्सो. एंड agriculture is one thing which feeds people. So if we are dependent on others, it's like to आमी दुसरे राज्याकडे भीक मागता. आमकां भाजी दी रे, आमकां हें दी रे, आमकां तें दी रे.
स्वयंपूर्ण गोवा म्हणटा पण खंय स्वयंपूर्ण आसा गोवा?
कांयच ना आमकां. आमचे सगळे कडेन आमी सगळे विकते घेता.
डिपेंडंट व्हेजिटेबल रायस ऑल ऑर्गॅनिक आमचे फूड आयटम्स सगळे आमी डिपेंडंट आसा.
आमकां जबर व्हडलो पॉप्युलेशन ना. इट्स व्हेरी इजी टू अचीव द टार्गेट, बट सगळ्यांनी हातबोट घालूंक जाय. जर तो सगळो तेतून आमी मिसळ जायत जाल्यार we can become independent and we can really become Swarnpoon Goa for the fact.
So this has directly link with आमचे रिवायवल ऑफ फार्मिंग खरें म्हणजे.
येस.
जर आमी आमचे गार्बेजीस व्हरून शेतांनी हें केलें जाल्यार शेत बरें ताका हें जातलें,
बरें पीक येतलें,
पीक बरें येतलें.
प्रॉब्लेम कितें आसा, लोक म्हणटा शेत करून आमकां पयशे मेळना आनी कांय ना. पूण जरी तर ही थियरी सामकी आशिल्ली जाल्यार आमचे सरभोंवती राज्य आसा पळय ते तांणीनी सोंपोवंक जाय आसलें न्ही. ते कित्याक चालू दवरपाचें? तितून दुडू आसा, पूण ते करपाक खूब त्रास पडटा. सो everything, Rome was not built in a day, neither it was destroyed. So if we have to revive our Goa, we have to go back to our soil. And we call ourselves sons of the soil. नीज गोंयकार आसा आनी आमचे जर तर भितर आमचे गोंयांत मोग आसा, we have to get back to the soil. And if we do so, then the next generation would understand the food comes from the soil, not from the supermarket. Because today's generation knows that the food comes from the supermarket. So Swiggy केलें की येयलें दारान. पूण ते कोण काडटा कितें करता, this thought process is very detrimental. So if we do that, I think Goa can become self-sufficient. I have this total faith in this thought process. But it cannot be one-man drive. It cannot be few people.
There has to be a revolution.
Exactly. Everybody should be part of it. It is for their health, for their benefit. As I shared otherwise also, that air, water, soil, it does not see whether you are rich or poor. It is equal to all. So if we don't take care of it, we are at the mercy of I don't know who. So let's go back to the soil. Let's salvage the soil, and definitely the soil will bless us with abundance. So I suggest, I mean, with your good initiative, I hope a lot of people will take this thought process seriously.
Right. No, it's a very good message you are giving. आणि हातूंत भितर इतलो सगळ्यांचोच फायदो आसा एक्चुली. आनी मेन म्हणजे how about politicians? They will not like your idea because they will be losing a lot of money because these treatment plants will be redundant.
See, I wouldn't say blame them in totality. As I told you, it starts from our home. If we don't, if we decide not to participate in mindless activity, mindless processes, then these processes won't happen. Because we are looking for our convenience, then these mindless processes come. So if we
are also responsible for it.
Exactly.
We just can't blame politicians.
No, we just can't
if
blame
we
them.
start treating our whatever residues at home, then there is no need of all these garbage trucks and treatment plants.
I would say we should need to change our mindset. Say, like, I mean, you use word garbage, I use word residue.
Yes.
So that
I changed it afterwards.
Yes. So now you have to say that it's a residue. Don't look at it as any picture you see. You Google, the minute you say garbage, you will see food flowing all around, and it's disheartening to say the apple which you have eaten and now which is half done you've thrown, that's become garbage. It's really sad. So I feel it's a mindset. A lot of people ask me, what's the biggest challenge? Nature, money? I said, no, it's a mindset of the people. If that falls in place, everything falls in place.
Right.
Because you decide what you want to do.
And there are simple solutions to big problems actually.
Yes, absolutely right.
So that it has to start with the individual at every household. And the big problem is actually nothing.
Will not exist. Will not exist. If you stop it at the, they say that nip the problem at its bud, it will not flourish.
Right.
So you nip it at the bud and that's the end of the story.
Correct. So
you will not have to really break your head on this. And we don't require such, see, if at all we are winding, I can tell you one simple thing. Any process, now I will use your terminology of garbage. The process is like this. Any process which you want to initiate in any society or system, garbage treatment should not create garbage.
Right.
Garbage treatment should eliminate garbage, which means there should be nothing coming out of the plant.
So right now what happens after in
We
the
still get residue, you'll still have slurry coming
and
out.
then
Then you don't know what to do with it. Because if primary form of garbage is a pain for you, how will you handle tertiary and secondary and tertiary?
right.
So if you knock off the primary, the secondary tertiary will not exist. And
After
if they
doing
don't
so
exist,
much, such a big exercise and spending so much of money, still that garbage in some form remains.
exactly. So, and it is not like you can make anything out of it. They can say it's a manure and all, but can they prove it? It's burnt. It's burnt with sulfur
Then
or any other
If
toxic
it's not
elements.
useful, it is not going in the fields, then what is the use of that manure?
Absolutely. I mean, like if you say, if the guy certify and said, okay, fine, it can go in, and the same blessed thing can come to us through a food chain. Suppose I'm putting it for a coconut tree, and that coconut tree is taking that thing. So now my tender coconut is no more organic. It will have all the malnutrients in it. So am I looking for malnutrients or am I looking for nourishment? So every act has to be have a proper checks and balances. Unless you do it, then don't touch it. Just don't do a eye wash scenario. So if you can't handle it, don't make it grow big. I had got a call for about Sonsodo. So I said the first thing to Sonsodo to cease to exist is that stop adding more to it. If you stop adding more, it will automatically start reducing. But if you don't stop adding more to it, how will it end? So
but they don't know what to do with the existing
exactly.
one. We are generating garbage, generating every day. We are generating garbage.
Yes.
And then we don't know what to do with that garbage.
I hope with this talk of us, people know that it's not a garbage, it's a residue, and they know where to come to it.
Exactly.
Do something about it.
So we have to now shift from garbage to residue.
Yes.
And we should start thinking about that it is not a garbage, it is a residue. And it is a resource, it can be used.
Yes.
And you can do it for your kitchen garden, you can use it as a manure in your fields and
absolutely.
You know,
see, the thing is that a lot of people consider soil as inorganic. Soil is a living organism. It nourishes, otherwise life will not sustain. So if just the way you need food for your nourishment, soil also need it. You can't leave it alone to itself. So if we can do our bit, the soil will give us it tenfolds back. But if we take soil for granted and say like, okay, we are walking on it, we are trampling it, it's not going to work. It's not going to help you any which ways. So the idea through this video of ours I want to share with people is that do not neglect soil and water. They are husband and wife. They, with their marriage, life on earth survives. We are all the offspring of the soil and water.
Correct.
In my faith, people on now Lent season will come, they say, they'll put ash on our forehead and said, you are dust and you'll return to dust. So when we are returning to dust, that dust better be good enough to take us back. Otherwise, it's going to be a toxic scenario.
On this note, we end this thought-provoking discussion with David. David has given us so much of insights आणि ताणी जे आमकां गोश्टी सांगल्या त्यो कंप्लिटली जे कितें सद्या कितें चलता ताचे जस्ट डिफरंट आसा आनी इतल्यो रेवल्युशनरी आसा आमी म्हणपाक शकता एक्चुली आनी सिंपल सोल्युशन्स ताणें दिल्या हो हे जे आतां सद्या गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट गोंयभर चालू आसा ताचेर शेकड्यांनी कोटी रुपया गव्हर्मेंट मोडटा आनी फायनली ताणें सांगता भशेन इतलें करून सुद्दां ताचें आउटपूट जें कितें येता तरी आसतना कंप्लीट झिरो जायना तरी ताचे आनी कांय गोश्टी गार्बेज तो तयार करता सो ह्या प्रॉब्लेमाक कितलें सिंपल सोल्युशन आसा आमी प्रत्येक घरांनी हाऊस होल्ड लेवलाचेर जर प्रत्येकान जर आपली गार्बेज आपली गार्बेज पळयनासतना एक्चुली ताणें सांगता भशेन रेजिड्यू आमचो उरता आमी आमचे मायंडसेट आतां पयलीं म्हणजे चेंज करपाची गरज आसा आनी सगळ्यांत पयलीं हांव म्हाजें मायंडसेट चेंज करता इट नो लॉंगर गार्बेज इट इज अ रेजिड्यू आमी जशें तें जन अन्न खाता आनी आमकां जशें न्यूट्रिशन मेळटा तें जें उरता तें एक्चुली अन्न आमच्या मातयेचें अन्न आसा आनी तें आमी जर मातयेक दिलें जाल्यार आमची माती न्यूट्रिशन जावपाक शकता आनी माती इन रिटर्न आमकां बरें प्रोड्यूस दिवपाक शकता सो हें आमी जर केलें जाल्यार आमचोच फायदो आसा सगळ्यांचो फायदो आसा कारण गव्हर्मेंटाचे पयशे वाचतले गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट करपा खातीर आमकां आमचें मॅन्युअर आमकां मेळटलें आनी आमकां हेल्दी फूड मेळटलें कारण हे ऑर्गेनीक फूड आतां तुमकां मागीर कॅमिकल्स घालपाची गरज ना. अशी कितलेशेच फायदे आसा. सिंपल कितें करपाक जाय, प्रत्येकान आपआपल्या घरान हे तरेचे हे गार्बेज आनी आमचे रेजिड्यू आसा तो ट्रीट करपाचो. आनी ट्रीट सुद्दां करपाक कांय सिंपल सोल्युशन आसा. डेवीड बाबान सांगल्या भशेन जस्ट मिक्सरार लाया आनी ताजे बारीक ताजो कुडके करा आनी ते तुमच्या झाडांनी प्लांटांनी घाला. शेत एक्स्ट्रा उरलें शेतान घाला. आनी चडूच जर उरलें जाल्यार डेवीड बाब आसा हांगा सालिगांव सेमिनारी आनी मडगांव दोन कडेन तांचे कलेक्शन सेंटर्स आसा. तुमी जावन वचून थंय मुद्दम एक तुमची जे रेजिड्यू आसा तो दिवचो आनी ते मागीर तांचे फाटल्यान हांगा खूब तरेचे तांचे एक्सपेरिमेंट चालू आसा. एक ऑर्गेनीक फार्मींग करता, थंय ते यूज करून तातूंतल्यान जें कितें उत्पन्न मेळटा तें मागीर लोकांक पर्यंत परत पावयता. सो असो इतलो इंट्रस्टींग आनी इतलो इम्पॉर्टंट अशें काम डेवीड बाब करता. आनी ऑल द बेस्ट आनी थँक यू सो मच फॉर डुईंग दीस. And hopefully this movement will grow and people after watching this interview will start rethinking from garbage to residue, and they will start treating their residues, making it into some useful resource.
Thank you, Neeraj Baba. I would like to also mention, not forgetting Father Valerian, who is also co-founder of Goa with Earth. Together we are running this initiative, and we are working with a thought process individually at our level to see that if not through village, through our churches and archdioceses, not because of any other, not to sound very communal, but to make it very obvious that we measure our logistics. Everything require manpower. So we are also hoping that our churches will get activated, because every village has one. So that way we will be able to create our footprints in every village, and hopefully the youth will take up this initiative more seriously for us, because this is not going to be, it's going to be a startup, a thought process where we are going to show that we are going to make a lot of money out of it, and there is money in this project, and the youth can see as a career option into this, and we will help them to make this as a career option. So it's just not like an NGO thingy where we are doing, people are coming and donating. No, it has got a huge commercial aspect, and the whole idea is to show the kids that they don't have to leave Goa, they don't have to go anywhere else. Our state is rich, and our state has got rich resources, and with this initiative we want to show that they also can make money out of it, and not pittance, a good large sum of money.
So what they can do is they can set up some manure plants and in
Not
a
only
village, and they can
manure,
collect
Neeraj,
and
the idea is that, see, you have to think big. If it all our agriculture thing, we are just about 11 to 12 lakh population people. If we become self-sufficient, anything in excess, we can export it. And if we can say that we are doing 100% organic, the world is for us. But it has to start, as I said, it has to start from home. Start thinking, change your mindset, think big, think organic, and let's all be Goa with Earth.